In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started building a website on Wix. We'll go through the first part of the setup process together, from opening the Wix website in Chrome all the way to choosing how you want your site to be created. If you're brand new to website building, don't worry. Wix is designed to be beginner friendly, and this setup is meant to help the platform understand what kind of website you need before you begin customizing it. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Wix.com. Once the site loads, look for the Get Started button and click it. This will take you into the account setup and onboarding flow. If the homepage looks slightly different from what you expect, that's normal. Website layouts can change over time, but the main goal is simply to find and select the option that starts the sign-up process. Next, log in if you already have a Wix account. If you don't, create a free account to continue. During this step, make sure you use your own preferred login method and keep your account details secure. Since this is the entry point to managing your website later, it's a good idea to choose a login option that will be easy for you to access again in the future. After you're signed in, Wix will guide you through a few setup prompts. These questions are there to help define your business type and understand what kind of site you want to build. For example, you may be asked what kind of business, service, brand, or project the website is for. Answer these prompts as accurately as possible because your responses can influence the design suggestions, features, and tools Wix shows you later. Taking an extra moment here can save time when you move on to the editing stage. Once that's done, you'll reach the point where Wix asks how you want to begin building your site. At this stage, you can either select a pre-made template or let the Wix AI build a baseline website for you. If you like having more control over the look and structure from the start, a template can be a great option. If you want a faster starting point based on your answers, the AI-generated option can help you get a draft site in place quickly. Either choice is fine, because this step is really about choosing the starting experience that feels easiest for you. After selecting your preferred option, you'll be ready to move into the next phase of building and customizing your website.